Let's look at this Olympiad question. What are the values of A, B, C, and D? So this is a continued fraction. First, let's talk about what is a continued fraction. A continued fraction is an expression that we get through an iterative process. The numerator is an integer and the denominator is an integer plus a fraction, and so on. When we are trying to solve a continued fraction, let's look at this basic fraction. 1 over fraction 3 over 4. To simplify this fraction, we would have to multiply the denominator by its inverse. So we multiply by 4 over 3. And we do the same for the numerator. So 3 and 3 will cancel out, 4 and 4 will cancel out. So this fraction will simplify to 4 over 3. So notice this fraction has flipped. The numerator has become the denominator and the denominator has become the numerator. Okay, back to our continued fraction. So given A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C plus 1 over D is equal to 20 over 13. We need to find the values of A, B, C, and D. Okay, since 20 over 13 expressed as a mixed fraction, this will be equal to 1 plus 7 over 13. So it follows that the value of A must be equal to 1. So A is equal to 1. Next, the denominator of the fraction, this B plus 1 over C plus 1 over D, is equal to the inverse of this fraction. So it is equal to 13 over 7. Since 13 over 7 expressed as a mixed fraction is equal to 1 plus 6 over 7, it follows that the value of B is equal to 1. So B is equal to 1. When we continue the process, we find that the value of C must be equal to 1. So C is equal to 1. When we look at 1 over D, it will be equal to the inverse of 6 over 7. So it will be equal to 7 over 6. So therefore, D must be equal to 6. Altogether, the value of A is equal to 1. The value of B, it's 1. For C, it's 1. And for D, it is 6. That's it.